beautiful ladies, and welcome to a beautiful episode of Jackets and Suit Pieces. Myself Lalia Dattagupta from Sanskriti Kolkata. Today's episode 186 is on women's jacket as well as unstitched suit pieces. Along with this, I'll show you some samples of menswear jackets also, which we also have in our showroom. Product number 1, cotton quilted jacket in Sanganari print. Sizes, this is only large size available. I'm wearing a medium, so you can wear a, it's even if it's slightly loose, it doesn't matter, or it's if it's fitted, you can just leave it open. It will look nice both ways. It's a beautiful sky blue color, Sanganari printed with front pocket. I'll mention all the sizes available in this. This is both side. You can wear it both side. This is the back side, which can be used as front also. It's reversible with pocket. Even this print will also have a pocket. No, this will not have. Only this part will have. This part will have a pocket. The other part, reversible part, will not have a pocket. It will have, but you can wear it. It's both side usable. Product number 1. It's this beautiful Sanganari printed jacket for women. And the price of this is 2100 rupees for product number 1. Product number 2, I am mentioning all the sizes, so just remember the sizes and then book. We don't have sizes in this, only large. So single large piece, initially I will show you all the large ones. This is large. Again, cotton Sanganari printed, back side will be in this block print. Both side you can wear, both side usable. It goes very well with saris also, with skirts, with denims, with plazos. For office wear, you just wear a dark black or a blue denim shirt and then just wear this jacket. Looks very, very smart. Once again, I'll show you the inside block print. Product number 2, large size. This is the back. All the prices are mentioned in the post. 2100 for cotton jackets. It's sleeveless. Cotton jackets 2100. Now extra large with sleeves. Again, you can fold it like I'm wearing. This is another quilted jacket, full sleeve. Moss green color, extra large size. This is all comes with pocket, and the price of full sleeve is 100 rupees more, 2200 only. 2200 for product number 2, full sleeve quilted jacket for women. Both side usable. Inside will have an ikat print, and the upper top part will have a Sanganari print. Beautiful moss green color, goes very well with denims, black trousers, skirts. Very smart looking, and it gives a very good style statement with this. Product number 3. Now comes to product number 4. See the Sanganari print. Product number 4, extra large, 2200. Beautiful multicolor Sanganari print with the second part. The second use that you can do is from the reversible part. Both are quilted with buttons. The front part will have the double pocket. This is the second print that you can use. You can just, like what I am wearing, you can fold the sleeves and use it also. It looks very smart. This way also you can use it. It looks very smart. So this is another print of XL size. This is also extra large. In case you have any doubt about the size you need, you can just measure this part just below the underarms to the underarms with an inch tape in inches. So from the underarm, this part to this part, you just measure any of your shirt size, that will be your jacket size. You can take a size bigger also, it doesn't matter. This is also lovely Ajrak printed full sleeve. This size is extra large, and this is the second print that you can use. See, it's a beautiful indigo block print. This is the second print that you can use in the same jacket with pockets. Extra large product number 5, 2200. Very smart looking print. Extra large, very smart. Now coming to extra large sleeveless. For even for office where there is severe high AC and all, where you need light cotton jackets, that's also very good for, you can wear it, as with a white shirt. Just wear this jacket, looks so smart. And see the second print that you can use. Product number 6, 2100, product number 6. Both side usable. Lovely for gifting also. Very reasonably priced and very good finish. Very good finish. Now extra large again. Mustard print Sanganari. Mustard Sanganar print. The second print that you can use is a slate color. This is the second print. The inside part. When you wear it, you fold your hands and then you sometimes turn. This second print also is a very matching print, mustard and slate, so it looks very nice on wearing. Product number 7, very smart looking jackets for women. Product number 7, another XL. So XL is a standard size which usually fits everybody. Almost until unless you're very, very thin, very slim. So XL is a standard because you'll be wearing on top of a sari or a jacket or a sari or a shirt or a top. So I think large and XL is the best size you should select. Indigo, full sleeve XL. And here is the second print. Actually, I have selected the prints in such a way that you can use with most of your shirts or most of your denims. Looks very nice. These colors look very nice on wearing with denims or pants, or even you can never go wrong with this style statement. Suppose you're going to any evening friend's house or for any shopping or for any small parties or small gatherings, anywhere you wear, even in offices or for workplace. So these look very smart. These always, it's a very fashionable piece, ethnic prints, and very reasonably priced also. This is also XL size in indigo. Now another XL in Ajrak, sleeveless. Just check out the prints. All the prints are very smart prints. This is the zigzag in extra print that you will be getting. XL again, black and white, small prints, small flowers. Ajrak inside. Nothing, just a simple white shirt or a t-shirt with this jacket. You'll just stand out. Really very smart prints. Double XL. Now comes to double XL. Indigo. The double print. The second jacket that you can use is this print. Very smart looking. XXL. This is also in sleeveless XXL. Ajrak. Ajrak XXL. This is only XXL. When I'm mentioning the size, please note that we don't have any more sizes in this print. All the prints will differ. So in L, I've shown you the prints available. In XL, I've shown you the prints available. Now I'm showing you in double XL the prints available. Very smart looking. This color is also very unique color. Earthy tone, but it's a very smart piece. Grey XXL. Double XL in grey color. So those till 40 chest, 38, 40, 42 will be fine for this. This is the batik print, which will be the dual print inside the batik print. So grey and firoza. It's a very smart color combination with white pant also, with black pant, black trousers, skirts. So very nice. When you're wearing a black or a cream or a coffee, you can wear with this one. And when you're wearing a white or a black, you can go for this print. Looks very nice. Both the prints are very smart looking. XXL. A bright print in XXL, sleeveless. Royal blue. Second print. The second print is a darker shade of blue with small prints. The upper part will be in big florals. Sleeveless, very smart looking. White and blue. Very smart print. See the print. Very good looking print. With denims, this color look very nice. I have a very smart print in XXL again. See this, this is a very abstract, very fashionable print. Very rich looking, very different. Double XL. This is the second print in yellow. Very smart piece, this one. And I'll show you the backside finish also. For the fit, like you can see the fit that I'm wearing, for the fit, this extra stitch is done. Can you see the stitch? Because of the quilting, and then on top of this tuck in, this extra stitch that we are providing, it gives a very good shape of the product. This is the stitch that I'm talking about. Very smart looking print. And again, when you will wear it with hands folded, see, such a smart looking concept, such a smart looking style it will create. Again XXL. 38, 40, 42 go for XXL. 36 go for 36, 38 you can go for XL. So even if a 38 size can wear XL and double XL. So it's just fits all almost. It's just looks very smart on wearing, and fitted doesn't look much good in this. It's better if you wear it a bit loose ones. Product number 16, very smart jacket, only 2200 for both side quilted cotton jacket in Sanganari vegetable prints, both side usable, 2200 for a full sleeve one and 2100 for a sleeveless one. Now here comes another indigo, navy blue color. The second print. XXL pista. This is also very uncommon print, and the inside one you get a mustard one. Now the last one, double XL. This is in silk. All the while I was showing you beautiful printed Sanganari printed cotton ones. Now this is a silk jacket, XXL size. It's a very smart rich color. This is the second print that you will be getting. The inside part is in cotton, the outer part is in silk. XXL in silk. And the price for this is 2500 only. 2500 for a silk jacket. Now even I am wearing a silk jacket. I have large and extra large in this. It's a deep rani color. Large and extra large. Side cut. You can just have a look at what it looks like. This is the second print that you can try. This is the second print. Now mannequin is also wearing a silk one with bandhej cotton inside print. It's an emerald green color. It's a beautiful shade. Emerald green silk jacket. The size of this is Just check this, large. This is also large. This is the second print that you will be getting for this. For silk jacket, you can wear it with both side pocket. This one also has a pocket. The inside print will also have a pocket. So I mixed up with the cotton ones. So the silk ones, which is 2500, will have both side pocket. The printed cotton one along with the silk upper one. So you can wear it both sides, however you want to wear it. So very smart looking emerald green. This is large size. The one that I am wearing, I have in medium and large also. The Rani color. This is also available. So I'll come to the suits now. Okay, just before I start suits, I want to show you some menswear jacket also. I'll do an episode soon. Menswear jackets, it's in Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. Just check out the link. The link is already provided. Menswear collection in the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata. This is just a sample. No number, no pricing. I'll just show you the number, the sample. This is 38 size. It's in stitched, fully embroidered stitched product. And the price of it, this is 4500. Just I'm telling you verbally. If you want, you can take this screenshot. 4500 for a jamewar back and a thread work front. I have two colors, 38 and 40 sizes for this. A black, and these kind of men's jackets is also available. You can check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata, for menswear collection. We have this menswear collection in our A branch, the Cornfield Road branch, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Menswear collection is only available in the Cornfield Road branch. These kind of digital printed silk jackets is also available. Ikat printed jackets in digital silk print. This price of this is 3500. We have sizes, and now this kind of jackets are also available. This is 3700, 3700 for the blue one. And this is 3990 for this Ajrak one. These kind of menswear silk jackets are also available in the Cornfield Road branch. You can come and have a look, or else you can WhatsApp me. You can WhatsApp in the number provided. I'll give you the menswear department number where they can send you the pictures of available jackets. And the earring that I'm wearing, the earring, it's 850 rupees. A very smart. With this you just need nothing, just a watch, and maybe you can wear a ring, prominent ring. And this lovely earring in antique silver, 850 rupees. A very smart, chunky jewelry. I have other colors. I'm wearing a magenta one, stone one. I have a green also, 850 pair. 850 rupees for the green one. Same price, magenta. So magenta is available, the color that I am wearing. Magenta, green, and I have a very pretty navy also. So 3 shades, 850 rupees pair. And the jacket, as I said, is 2500 rupees. Now I'll come to some formal and semi-formal suit pieces, unstitched 3-piece suit pieces. This is a Georgette Dola silk bandhej with Banarasi woven suit piece. Product number 25990, product number 20, with original Georgette bandhej dupatta. This is the bandhej dupatta. You just, if you want the crush part, which I love, you just put it as a side stole, or else you can just iron it to give it the full length of the dupatta. But crushed, you can keep it semi crushed, so maybe it will increase the length a bit, and then also the crush part will also be there. And it has a bottom also. This Rani color will be the bottom, and the price is 599. It's a 3-piece unstitched suit set in Rani color, in Dola silk bandhej Georgette woven with bandhej pure georgette dupatta with gota border. The whole set is 5990. The prices are all mentioned. It's a full length kurta with dupatta set. Similarly, I have a red in this. This is the kurta. Okay, let me open and show you one piece. Then you'll be able to understand. This is the kurta. See the gorgeousness. One piece I'm opening. This is the kurta, the front part. This is the back part. This is the bottom. It's a silk bottom. So you see it's a very rich looking piece with dupatta. This is the dupatta. So the whole set is a very rich looking set. Fully silk woven item. Zari woven item. So this is the one piece I opened for you to understand how much the gorgeous weave is, and you need a astar to stitch it because these are silk product. This is another color, navy. So the front and the back both has weaves. The front will have more weaves, the back will have the daman weave. And here comes the bandhej, beautiful navy color. This is a beautiful shade, navy. The prices are all mentioned. It has a kurta, a full length kurta with a bottom, silk bottom, and a bandhej pure georgette original bandhej dupatta with this in navy blue color. I have a very in color, lemon yellow, very bright lemon yellow, and see the dupatta. I'll show you closely this. It has silver zari with meena weaving. It's a very exquisite weave in the border. Chiffon dupatta pure. Here comes the kurta, fully woven with shades of pink and grey and mauve. And here comes the bottom, the yellow bottom. This is the bottom. This is the kurta. And the sleeves will also have the border, and this is the front part. Fully woven set. Prices already mentioned. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Once the payment is done, we will courier it to you. We have the stitching department. If you want the product to be stitched, we'll do it and courier it to you. Stitching charges are applicable for all products, even for blouses. So if you want the products to be stitched, we can do it and ship it to your destination. Shipping charges are also applicable. So we'll transfer your message, number to your tailoring department. Once the payment is done, you can get in touch with the tailoring department for your designs and for your measurements. Another color in this, burgundy color. The dupatta will have tassels. See the border design. Very pretty color. Very rich Banarasi woven kurta in Dola silk with silk bottom and silk dupatta. It's a georgette dupatta. Chinon dupatta. All the colors are very unique. It's a light peach pink color. Beautiful peach color. The weaves are slightly different from each other. Very exquisite piece. Now for this, let me open one piece for you also. This is the kurta. The back will be plain, the sleeves will have the border. The weave closely for you. The back will be plain with the border, and dupatta I have already shown you. This is the dupatta. Now I have a lemon in this weave. That weave was different, this weave is different. Though the color is same, the weave of both the lemons are different. So check out the one that you want. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Both are close by. We have the car park. Sundays we are open. Monday to Saturday we are open every day. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. You can check out our Facebook page. As I said, the link is already provided. The Insta page, the WhatsApp status where new collection or repeated collections are uploaded every day. Our reviews, you can check out our reviews, which is also uploaded in the WhatsApp status. So you can have a look. We are a 26-year-old flagship store in Cornfield Road, and also we have a branch in Baliganj. So you can please visit. For more options, check out our Facebook page. This is a woven, very pretty Jola silk kurta. This will be you can use it in the back or the sleeves. It's a very beautiful textured Rani color woven. It seems as if it's a katha stitch. 5,500, 3-piece unstitched set. 3-piece set. I got Rani and red, two colors, and see the dupatta is also very beautifully woven. It's a beautiful dupatta. Full length, huge dupatta. I'll show you the weave closely. It seems as if it's katha stitch. See, the weave is done in such a way. It's the back side, you can see this is the weave, and the finishing. We've put the fall also at the back so that the neatness is there. This is the dupatta. Very smart looking dupatta. And this is the kurta. The neckline is done. Very interesting. 5,500. Product number 27. I have a red in this. Sometimes you don't feel like wearing a sari to any formal or semi-formal occasion, or you just have to, just want to be quick with your full dressing. So you can go for these kind of very pretty. This is the yoke part. This is the dupatta, and the bottom is also there. All silk sets, Dola silk sets. Now coming to cotton. Cotton with Dabu print Kota Doria dupattas. So I'll open one for you. Cotton, pure cotton. This is actually cotton silk. Cotton silk with pure cotton applique done. 3550, 3550 cotton silk with Dabu printed Kota Doria dupatta, applique done. This is the kurta, and this is the pure cotton Dabu printed bottom, batik design, and full length Kota Doria dupatta. A full length Kota Doria dupatta. only 3550. The color option I will give you. This is another color. Just take the screenshot if you are interested. The applique, the full Kota Doria dupatta full length, it's a very smart piece. And then I have this color also, pink. Very comfortable fabric with pure cotton bottom, Dabu dupatta. Very soft, comfortable, ideal for office wear, for gifting. Now coming to totally shibori tie and dye. The price of this is 3650 Maheshwari. Very unique. See the border, Maheshwari border. Tie and dye shibori kurta in indigo with a yellow cotton bottom and a full length, very smart looking. I'll just show you the dupatta, how gorgeous the dupatta is. This is the dupatta and this is the kurta. Isn't it rich and gorgeous? It looks really nice on wearing. Maheshwari with a yellow churidar or whatever you can make. Very smart looking piece. Or you can make a jacket style also with a chanderi shibori jacket and the yellow one instead of the bottom. You can make an inner with a jacket on top with this. Mix and we'll, if you are interested, we can do the tailoring for you. In Maheshwari, I have this another vegetable print, very smart looking color in green and red color combination, product number 33. Maheshwari with, this is the bottom. The kurta, you can use the borders, rich zari traditional border, Maheshwari. This is the cotton bottom dabu. This is the dupatta, Maheshwari dupatta. Only 3650. And see the richness of the whole set. Such a beautiful rich set. Red and green. Now coming to the same concept, but this is in Chanderi. So Chanderi, the price reduces to only 2990. Chanderi tie and dye, because of the change in fabric, the price is reduced to 2990. So this is where you see there are so many difference in the rates. Once the payment is done, we will courier the product to you. Please send the name, address, pin code. The phone number is very important, your shipping phone number. That is very important. So please mention them after the payment is done. This is in Chanderi tie and dye bandhej with yellow shibori dupatta 2990. And coming to a very pretty batik, Chanderi batik. The mannequin are also wearing one. See the Chanderi batik one. This is in black and red with a cotton batik bottom, Chanderi batik kurta and a batik dupatta. Chanderi batik dupatta, the 3-piece set. Chanderi 3-piece set in batik. Very traditional yet bright and gorgeous. 4500 for the full set. 4500 is for the set. Red and black color combination. and the mannequin, I'll show the mannequin color combination also. It's a navy blue kurta, navy blue chanderi kurta with again a sea green color chanderi dupatta in batik. 4500. See, it's a batik tie and dye, original batik, not block. 4500 for this. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp to the number provided, any one of the number. And the last one, product number 36. I'll definitely open this for you. It's a silk kurta in bandhej with gota embroidery, 5990. Silk bandhej kurta, and the color is just too good color. With gota embroidery, even in the sleeves the work will be there, and the gota comes with pearl work. Sleeves, the neckline is done with the body buta. The body, this will be the bottom, half silk bottom. This is the kurta fabric, and here is the beautiful baby pink color chiffon dupatta with cute tassels and latkans in the bottom corners. Very pretty piece. Once again, I'll show you closely the work. So this is number 36. Number 36, and only this one doesn't have a number. The mannequin one, just take the screenshot. So that's it for today, folks. Please do take a minute to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Myself, Lalia Dattagupta. Namaskar. Shobbai bhalo thakben.